If your tiller engine stops running after a few seconds, here are the two most probable causes. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. For better stability, you can use a pre-mixed fuel and oil product that is ethanol-free. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. To allow air into the tank, fuel caps will have small vent holes. If the holes are blocked, the tiller engine may stop after a few seconds. You can replace the fuel cap with a new one to solve this problem. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your tiller.